Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove the center console from any Mercedes-Benz C-Class from the year 2012 and up. Today I'm working on this car and I'll have to remove this piece from the middle of the dashboard, this huge piece from right here. I'll have to remove it, and because of that I decided, guys, to show you all how to do it. Normally it's a very easy job, it can be done by anyone, and the only tool which you need is a Torx 20. So as you can see, if you want to remove this entire piece, you'll have to remove this aluminum part from right here, this chrome part. You'll have to lift it up from the clips, and right underneath this part you will find two more screws which are securing this center console mounted to the car, to the dashboard, and after that you'll have to lift it up and eventually it will come out from its place. Right here in this position I was not able to put my camera anywhere else because I'm alone and I didn't have any person to hold my camera while I was doing this job. So I placed my camera right here over the seat, and I hope from this position you all will be able to see exactly what I'm about to do right now. So, like I told you earlier, you will only need a Torx 20 and something to pry open the little plastics from underneath the dashboard. To begin, you'll have to do something like this. You'll have to put it right here underneath this chrome piece, underneath this aluminum piece. I'm not exactly sure, but I think this is also made by plastic. You'll have to lift it up and it will come out from its place. And don't forget to open the glove box, because otherwise you won't be able to remove this plastic piece from right here. So as you can see, I opened this compartment from right here, and you'll have to press the little button from the middle, and in the same time you'll have to lift it up, because you'll have two more plastic clips right underneath this chrome piece, and if you don't remove those plastic clips, it won't come out from its place. So just lift it a little bit harder and eventually it will come out from its place. So as you can see, I didn't break any clips. Eventually it did come out a little bit harder, but it did come out. So as you can see, you'll have to put it away. You don't have to worry about the middle button from the middle of the piece, because there is nothing wrong with it. You'll have to press it down after you install everything back together, and it will work perfectly fine after that. From here you'll have two more screws, which you'll have to use the Torx 20 to remove them, and after that you'll have to lift this entire console, center console, up, and it will come out from its place. After you are able to remove it from the dashboard, make sure to not pull very hard from it, because it has a lot of connectors behind it and you don't want to break the connectors. So just lift it up a little bit and you can put it away like I'm doing right here, and you'll have to disconnect all the connectors. You have 4 connectors, I think. Now you have 5 connectors secured to this center console, and only after you disconnect every single connector you will be able to remove it completely out of the car. And don't worry about anything, don't worry about having errors in the dashboard or something like that. If you only remove the connectors and if you don't put the ignition on, you will be perfectly fine. So as you can see, right here you have 2 connectors, then you have this one from right here, and you have 2 more right here at the top. Alright everybody, from here I disconnected all the connectors from behind this center console, and now I'm able to remove it completely out of the car. This is how this center console is looking from this car, and also this is how it's looking from behind. So if you want to remove the connectors from behind the center console, I recommend all to remove those 2 cables from right here, and you'll have to disconnect them from right here. Then this cable from the lighting of the cigarette, it's looking like this. You'll have to lift this little clip up, and after that you'll have to push it up and it will come out. And then you'll have two more right here from the top part of the center console. So as you can see, this is all you have to do. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.